Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar index and the DXY. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and make sure to watch the video on the homepage to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar has been in a very, very strong downtrend these last several weeks. I personally think this is more likely a wave one, a wave two, and we're currently in a wave three. But we are also at the 100% Fibonacci extension of this wave one projected off wave two. This definitely could be an area of resistance. Definitely could bounce here, or support that is, because we're going down. So we definitely could get a bounce here. But even if we do get a bounce, I think it's very likely that it's just going to be a pullback within a downtrend. So keeping that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame, if we get a break of structure, then I would put my whole Fibonacci level on the whole move down. I would definitely still be looking for a three-way pullback, but I would be looking for a three-way pullback to a Fibonacci retracement level and then another entry to go short. So if we do get this break of structure today, then I definitely think that we would see probably at least a little bit of a larger pullback to this wave three downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.